HGTV was right. Well, sort of. Doing updates to specific areas in your home can bring you a serious return on investment when it comes time to sell. But not all projects are created equally, and not every project requires your time and energy. Plus, if cost is your concern, hiring someone else to do those updates may not work for your budget. So let's discuss 4 DIY upgrades you can do that will help you sell your house quickly and for top dollar. Number 1, paint your walls and your cabinets. Giving your walls a fresh coat of paint, preferably neutral colors, can breathe new life into the home. This is a job that can typically be done over a couple of weekends if you're dedicated and focused. Plus, you can then paint the cabinets in your kitchen to save a lot of money. Replace some of those old fixtures and it gives the space an attractive and modern upgrade. Number 2, add crown molding. This is really a design feature that is there to add interest, a little bit of uniqueness, and a vintage feel to areas of the home that seem plain and boring. Number 3, stain your hardwood floors. Once upon a time, our parents were covering up the hardwood floors with carpet and linoleum. Gross. Remove the dated and dingy carpet to reveal the beautiful hardwood flooring below. Stain those floors to add contrast and a wow factor to the design of the house. And finally, number 4, create a great patio space. I live in Southern California, so be jealous. The importance of a great patio or outdoor space really can't be stated enough in this video. Our weather is typically 70 degrees or better for most of the year, and we love to be outside, enjoying our yards with our friends and family. Having great outdoor furniture, fire pits, colorful mulch and plants, plus tasteful accessories for the outside like pergolas, barbecue grills, and cornhole sets can tie together the outdoor with the house and help return some of that value. Use these ideas to improve the resale value of the home and watch that money roll in at closing. Let me know if these ideas were useful by commenting on the video, and I will catch you on the next one. Enjoy your new year and your day off.